Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the performance presets in Battlefield 6. Enjoy! Well, to do it you have to open the settings by using this gear icon here. Now move to the graphics settings, and as the first option here you can see the performance presets. On the right we have the video memory usage, the available amount and how much we use while playing this game on the current performance settings. So you have three available options. You can choose unbalanced, performance or custom. If you choose a custom one, then you can use all of these settings to set up the memory usage while playing this game. Or if you want, you can choose to performance on balance, depends on your preferences of course. If you choose balance modes, then target stable frame rate with a focus on higher visual fidelity. Performance mode lowers visual quality to enable higher frame rates and therefore reduce input latency for a smoother gameplay experience. So for me the best way is to choose the balance or make my own decision by using the custom performance preset. That would be all for today. Leave a comment, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.